All right, hello. We have this CC Con Limited Brand Instruments, world's largest manufacturers, from Elkhart, Indiana, USA. That's what the case says. Okay, that's what the case says, but not the thing. Obviously, it's beat up. The case is beat up. This is from my aunt's house. I haven't even looked at it yet. Strap, you've seen better days, but this is all of our first time seeing this thing, so let's take a look. All right, that's great. Comes with a mute, vintage. It's cork, I guess. I don't see any branding on it, but it's definitely a mute. And here we have, is it strapped in? There's a little wood thing here to hold it in place. The case has obviously seen better days. Let's get it emptied. Side thingy. And please relax, Mom. Sit down. Both sides of the case. And I mean, it's cool looking because it's old, but it's definitely seen better days. We got two mouthpieces here. This one looks pretty nice. Both sides. Alright, yeah, still work. Check that out. I'm probably gonna get some kind of weird sickness from doing that. This one says V or WM Frank and Company, Chicago. Or WM Frank and Company. If you can see it. I'll get pictures of it. I'll have to research these. These might actually be what's worth something in here. This says Reynolds 7B. This is a Reynolds 7B vintage or possibly antique mouthpiece at this point. And now we have Standard Boston. This trumpet's from Boston. I don't know if you can see it. And look, springs still work. I mean, this thing, of course, probably needs to be tuned up. Wow, the slide came out. I used to play trumpets. Sad, I forgot what all this is called. I don't know if this is the thumb slide for the back or something else. But on the bell it says standard. Like I mean, it's been sitting for some time, probably in a closet. Oh, maybe this was here. No, this is a finger slide. But I don't know if I'm not gonna try too hard to mess with it because I don't want to break anything. The springs on this still work. The back slide still slides. Again, I don't want to fully disassemble this. This is jammed in. Well, I don't say jammed, but probably hasn't been pulled out in ages. The other side. What do we got? Oh, I think this goes in here, possibly. I don't know. I forget. But somebody that knows what they're doing could probably bring this old boy back to life. Do I dare? Yeah, all right. Somebody kept these oiled after all these years, or greased. Play it. Oh yeah, I guess I could play it. Hold on. Wow, came right out. Seems to be in good condition. Locked right in. This one will come out too. Whatever. These are cool. I guess that's mother of pearl. That would be my guess. If I had to guess, this came right out. Looks to be in good shape. Not greased, but all right, locked right in. Oh, damn, 4 minutes already. Sorry for the long video. Just really want to show the condition of this stuff that we're going to be selling. Because we're not out to get anybody, but we are just kind of listing things as we find it. Mom ended up with quite a bit of relatives' stuff and Dad's old stuff. I'm looking for a date on this thing. July, 1917. I don't know, is there a flashlight? Yeah, there should be a flashlight here. Try to take a look. patented July 1917. Serial number 26350. Patented 1915. Or Pat DEC 1915. So whatever that means. Anyhow, I guess I could try to play it. I don't know if I still have the chops for it. Yeah, I don't know. It still makes a joyful noise. Let's try this other mouthpiece. Yeah. Again, so it still does something. See if the mute still works. I don't know. Hey, look, it sticks in. Probably not well, but. So, all right, there you have it. Vintage, I'm not even sure. So it's either 1915 or 16 or 1917. So Pat July 1917 or Pat December 1915. So very cool. And it's for sale. Thanks.